Octopuses are fascinating creatures, masters of disguise and intelligence. With 3 hearts and blue blood, they can change color and texture in an instant, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. Did you know they have incredible problem-solving skills? Some can even escape from jars. Their arms are lined with sensitive suckers, allowing them to taste and feel their environment. When threatened, they can eject a cloud of ink, creating a smokescreen to make their getaway. Each species has unique behaviors, from the playful mimic octopus, which can impersonate other sea creatures, to the solitary deep-sea octopus, nurturing its eggs for years. These enigmatic beings truly redefine what it means to be adaptable in the ocean.